What's up, guys? Thought I would make a video and show you the house of the progress. I mean, there are the windmills right there, but check out this guy. Good little fan palm. That's a good windmill right there. But I got several of these windmills that, I mean, they're doing perfect. It's getting pretty big in this solo cup. So like that one back there starting an adult leaf. But I guess my question is the ones that are in solo cups, when would you guys upgrade them to, I don't know, maybe like a 1 gallon, which is these right here. And they're just growing so tall and lanky. But yeah, just thought I'd show them. We got all these, and we started another batch, a bunch of little community pots like that, and then some cell trays in the garage. We have some more fan palms, probably already 15-20 popping in some of the trays, so we did about 300. So yeah, just you got any ideas or thoughts about that question? When should these solo cup ones graduate to a 1 gallon? I mean, should I do it now or wait till next spring? But yeah, drop a like, comment, answer that question. Thanks for watching.